today we'll be making an adorable poofy spiked Christmas deco mesh wreath. What you will need, I have a 16-inch wreath ring, deco mesh, I have 6-inch deco mesh as well as 10-inch deco mesh, scissors, and a rotary cutter. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing is just raising all of my stems. Alright, once you have all of your stems raised, now we're going to take our 10-inch mesh and we're going to fold the end to a nice little point. And we're going to pick a place on our inner ring and place our mesh. Twist it a couple of times. But we are actually not going to tuck it away because we're going to add more mesh after we get this 10-inch mesh placed. If we weren't going to add any other mesh, then we would go ahead and tuck it away. So make a poof, and the size of the poof, that is completely up to you. Just depends on how large and poofy you'd like for your wreath to be. You can even measure the poofs if you choose to do so and you want them really uniform, but I just estimate. Then come to the next section, make another poof, and place it on the next inner stem. Another poof, and I'm just going to repeat this same step all the way around my inner ring, and then repeat these steps on the outer ring. When I come around to my starting point, I'm just going to make another poof, untwist my stem, place my mesh, and twist it back. And then you can cut the mesh off here and start over, or you can make another poof on the outer ring. I'm just going to cut the mesh here and start over on my outer ring. Tuck it away, make another poof, and place it on the outer stem. Twist it a couple of times. And just continue on all the way around the outer ring. And since this mesh is a little thinner, you can double layer the mesh with, say, like white or silver if you choose to do so. But once we add in all of our other mesh, it won't be that huge of a deal. And our wreath ring is a color that coincides with our color scheme, so that's always nice as well. Alright, so I have all of my mesh in place. It looks so cute and poofy. Now we're going to come around and add bundles to each of our stems. So I'm going to grab the 6-inch bundles, and I'm also going to add some of this 10-inch mesh since I have a decent amount left over. Alright, so I've cut my 10-inch mesh into 8-inch long pieces, as well as cutting my 6-inch mesh into 8-inch long pieces. Now I'm going to add my bundles into each of my stems. So I'm going to keep my 10-inch mesh at a cute little curl, and I'm going to take my 6-inch mesh and roll it at a diagonal and crisscross it. Take my blue, roll it at a diagonal, and crisscross it again. And roll my silver at a diagonal and crisscross. And I'm going to mix in the curls and the crisscross. And then scrunch all of it together. Find my stem. Place my bundle. Twist it a couple of times. And then tuck it away. And just kind of flare out the bundle. And there, all pieces are visible. And I'm going to alternate the color order of my bundles. That way all colors are visible and nothing gets hidden or lost in the mix. Come to my next inner stem, place my bundle, twist it a couple of times, and tuck it away. Since I'm not adding any more mesh after this, if you decided to go back around and add even more mesh, then you wouldn't tuck your bundles until you were completely done. It's looking so cute and precious already. I'm just going to continue alternating my bundles. And I'm just going to continue all the way around the inner ring and repeat the same steps on the outer ring. Again, you can add as much or as little mesh as you prefer. You can go with twice as many pieces in each bundle. It all just depends on how poofy and fluffy you want your wreath to be. But just make sure you crisscross all of the colors so that all colors are visible. So I have all of my bundles in place. It's looking so cute and poofy already. I'm just making sure I flare out all of my mesh, adjust all of my bundles. So cute. You can add any additional embellishments you'd like. You can add adorable ornaments to the center. You can add a cute sign, or you can leave it just like this. It looks so cute and precious and poofy, and the colors are gorgeous. It's so cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional embellishments you prefer.